ಹಾಯ್, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೊಸ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವಾರ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಗೌನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ ಗೌನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಡೋ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಚೂಡಿದಾರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗೌನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಾಟ್. Beautiful purple. I don't know why I really fell in love with purple. So purples antu nam angadigi bandre you can see lot of purples. So adralle innond color ide blue. You can see this, and dupatta is amazing, and yellow that instantly brightens your face. So I wore this yellow. This has beautiful work over here, and even on the other side. This is a bandhani purple again. You can see the border is given plain and there's some zari work on that. So it's highlighted more. It's a spaghetti style gown and there's a jacket upon. Very smart article for all girls. Any kind of occasion you can wear these kind. And there's a work in the center as well. You can see this. It's a very smart pieces. So like this, lot of gowns keep coming, and you can see this is one of my most favorite pattern. It's a peplum top with a plazo panel. More or less looks like a skirt, and every day almost 3 to 4 pieces I'm selling. It's a hot selling article in my store, and I've got a lot of colors and variations in that. See, beautiful green and the floral printed top. It's a tissue fabric. Amazing with a very elegant neck work. You can wear it for any kind of occasion. It can be a sangeet or haldi or birthday parties. It can be anything. But these will never go out of trend, and something which I fell in love with. And chudidars anto beautiful collections have come. You have to drop into the store, and there are so many queries that keeps coming on WhatsApp and even on my Insta page. Soon I'll reply because the store is busy. Even if I get a little time also, I'll try to make a video and help you with selecting dresses. So thank you all. You hosa varshana hosa batte hakondo hosa tana tarli. Thank you.